What do you mean by the term cell? Cell is the basic unit of life simply, ठीक है ना? Cell is basic unit. Basic unit of life, right? And a group of similar type of cells. What is the term? Tissue, right? So what is tissue? A group of similar type of cells. A group of similar type of cells, right, together for a particular work. ठीक है, एक पर्टिकुलर काम को कर टुगेदर फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक वर्क, एक विशेष कार्य के लिए. Right. So when we talk about the living world is divided into two kingdoms. दो kingdoms हैं, plant kingdom and animal kingdom, right? So living beings, they are made up of cells. Basic unit है cell. हर कोई किससे मिलके बना है? हमारी बॉडी किससे मिलके बनी है? बहुत सारी सेल्स इकट्ठा है, ठीक है, सेल्स. सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अबाउट द प्लांट टिश्यूज टुडे. प्लांट टिश्यूज, ठीक है. So tissue clear, right? Tissue means specific cells, a group of specific same type of cells combined for a specific work, एक विशेष कार्य. So when we talk about the plant kingdom now, right? So first I am writing here plant tissues. Now it is plant tissue, right? So there are two types of tissues in the plant kingdom, you can say, right? Plant tissues, they are divided into two categories. One is known as meristematic tissue, ठीक है. One is known as the meristematic tissue and other is known as the permanent tissue, right? So first off, the flow, if you make the flow chart like this or chart like this, it makes the study easy, right? Now again, when we talk about the permanent tissue, it is of two types, simple and complex, right? Simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue and complex. Is there any problem till here, right? After that we will talk about the types of simple tissue, types of complex tissue, xylem, phloem, right? They are example of this. Sclerenchyma, collenchyma, ये सारे आएंगे, ठीक है. So this is the flow chart, you can say. What is the issue? The two broad divisions are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue, right? This. So meristematic tissue, where they are found? Plant जब बढ़ता है, when the plant is growing, right, development in the plant takes place. Which parts are there for growth and development of the plant? Roots and stem. तो ये root tip and, ठीक है, वहां पे ये मिलती है, found in the root tip and shoot tip. रूट पेन शूट टिप, राइट, ग्रोइंग पार्ट जो भी आगे को बढ़ रहे हैं वहां पे मिलता है. Clear? So this is one thing you have to remember. They are found in those parts which go on multiplying. Root क्या है? Root आगे को बढ़ेगा, right? It will grow to a length, right? The same way shoot is going. So present in tip and shoot tip. First point you have to remember, right? So after some time, first tell me, will the multiplication of the cells or tissues will take place for a long time? After some time it stops. After that what will happen? After that what will happen? So next point. Next point in it you write, right? Meristematic tissue when lose meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue when lose the capacity to divide. When lose the capacity to divide, what will happen? They give rise to permanent tissue, right? So I am writing in short here, right? Permanent tissue. So how permanent tissue is formed? When meristematic tissue, they lose the capacity or ability to divide, right? They give, right, out of them the permanent tissue is formed. It means, what does it mean? What does it mean? Or it means meristematic tissue, it changes into, or it gives rise to, or changes to meristematic tissue. Changes to permanent tissue, right? What is the name of this process? This is known as change of meristematic tissue into permanent tissue. What is the name of this process? What is the name of this process? See that there will be question. Consider the following statements. Which statements are true regarding meristematic tissue or permanent tissue, right? So what is the process called? When meristematic tissue changes to permanent tissue, this is known as, this is known as, ऐसे लिख दे रहा हूं, this is known as dot dot dot. क्या होगा भाई? This is known as, इतना तो मैंने लिख दिया भाई. Differentiation, right? What is differentiation? Right? Or changing of meristematic tissue to permanent tissue. It is known as differentiation. ठीक है, राइट? हाँ भाई वंश, ठीक है यहां तक. सो व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएशन? Right. This. What is the condition for conversion or change of meristematic tissue into permanent tissue? What is the condition? When the meristematic tissue is unable to divide further, they give rise to permanent tissue. Right? Okay. Now we come to permanent tissue. Now we come to permanent tissue. What are the two types? Simple and complex, right? When we talk about the simple permanent tissue, can you give the examples or different types of simple permanent tissues? ठीक है, अब यहीं पर 1 2 3 4 करके, ठीक है, write about them. The first one is known as ये सारे टर्म पढ़े होंगे, पेरेन्काइमा, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट पेरेन्काइमा? They are living cells or dead cells? So first point, it is they are, मजा नहीं आया, living cells. They are living cells. Right? There is a large space between the cells. Okay? They are the living cells. They combine together to form the tissue. Right? They have a big space between them. Okay? Large space. Large space. कैसे बना सकते हो? This is one cell. This is another cell. Another cell. Like this. There is a space between them. So large space between them. ठीक है. What about the cell wall? They have very thin cell wall. They have very thin cell wall. Right? So what is the condition for floating? What is the condition for floating? हाँ वे वंश, नदरू देखा है? किसको कहते हैं? हाँ, कमल ककड़ी भी बोलते हैं जिसको, ठीक है ना? नदरू जो है, ठीक है, तो वो तैरता है. इट गोज अप, राइट? वाई? ड्यू टू एयर स्पेसेस. Some plants float on water due to, so those type of parenchyma cells, what is the name given to them in aquatic plants? Right? The parenchyma cells, they are known as parenchyma. एयर भरा रहता है. ठीक है, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं, राइट? लिख देना. नेक्स्ट, इसको मैं बता रहा हूं, फिर अगला लिख रहा हूं. Right? So simply लिखो in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants means जलीय पौधे जो पानी में मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है, in water, right? In aquatic plants, what you have to see, what is present? A spatial or the parenchyma cells which help them to float. They are known as parenchyma. Air भरा रहता है तो parenchyma. Parenchyma is nothing but parenchyma, right? Which cells or which tissue help the aquatic plants to live in water? Parenchyma. ठीक है, ये लिखते हैं. Right? So what is the importance? How they float? Now you go to Archimedes principle. What is Archimedes principle? Or what is buoyant force? They provide buoyancy, right? Upthrust. लिख देना ब्रैकेट में. Provide upthrust. ठीक है. Upthrust to the plant to float. पूरा ही लिख लो. Provide upthrust to the plant to float. ठीक है. upthrust तो कहां से मिल रहा है? From water, right? They stand up, right? ठीक है.